How to snap layouts to split the screen into multiple areas in Windows 11. First, go to Start button, choose Settings. Here you will find the option Multitasking. Click on Multitasking to open its features. Here, turn the toggle button on against snap windows and click on a small arrows, and here you will find a lot of options. When I snap a window, so what I can snap next to it, turn on. So snap layout when I hover a Windows maximize button. So, snap layouts that the app is a part of when I hover over the taskbar buttons. When I drag a Windows, let me snap it without dragging all the way to the screen edge. When I snap a window, automatically size it to a full available space. When I resize a snap window, simultaneously resize any adjacent snap window. Turn on all these features of a snap windows. Thereafter, we will see how to customize these windows. Click on plus sign. You will find another desktop. Right click on it and choose its background. Now you can assign a different background for all your desktop. To identify them easily, you should change all other background desktop as a different background, and here you should easily lay a snap layout use. Thank you.